and mema bebre you know fe wa bonting ma mema ne bre wo dem na yire na ma bonting na ma ye tro kama te say di board nyanka beji adi odu fie na otu ni wig ya ni tiase enya dreadlocks I'm suffering and struggling under depression haircut why you think I want to be young depression, sign of depression. Look, apart from having a clinical problem, our doctors say, oh, yadi binti koyu tino, or baby, why you need tibia is depressed.
Style.
And your fashion.
Style.
Because the glory and the beauty of a woman is your hair. That is why anytime you take off the weave on, you are afraid of your own face. When you wear the weave on, you look too pretty. Or baby, or call salon, echo make it up without wig. Obefie na be wig na you look like a caricature. Emema bro. Enti oba ole ni tifie. Where you ni tin nyina o she wig ba bontia. No bia se no ho fe. Nana ya odufie no 2 wig ni say pe. Obanu o yes ye freedom to the people. Una aba be hwe haircut e times and una abre. You are the one suffering. You are going to suffer with this woman till daybreak. The ayan say no be any bag mu where you wipe facial wipe. No ashas here.
Yeah, prepare him.
Ya wonim ya be do ni. Me fair dodo. Or be partner so ben. Who is seeing the non so ben? You are the one facing the non so ben. Sister Bia, me see me share now. Oh, what people make up? Me am shame. And I'm born ding. Or see me aden. Many me say net yo. A dread any me and me abresa. Some media you made the Yamin Kwan and Kamajan. As I'll be another way about set try, the way about set. And I'm a man, I say. I me who said you could be bread because share and easy. Unya or bear man, I can maybe say baby. Say when your baby a Sebian pay for my name born missionary and nim and reflected your pay. One done when you are sure you lose erection.
Now the Okofan now him said the move.
Say I told you who until they wipe their makeup.
Robert,
what I say? And I wait, this is the time we have to teach them sexual hygiene. Say, oh baby, keep yourself neat because oh baby, I will tell me and bear maybe board dog, you know, chianity cider, a problem. It told me about and can't feel I ask you if you took quite I say, what me bon, this is the time I see a chile. It's about chile and just showing you a it's not time to show love, it's time to exchange gifts in church. There be loving, a serious love month. It's a serious month.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,